this is War. Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you my new projector screen. And if you are looking for a big screen for the movie, and then this is for you. The screen is considered to be the best because it comes with two remote, so you're not going to get up and pull down the screen. So I'm going to show you also what tool you need and for you to be able to mount it to the wall. So the first thing you need a drill to drill it to the wall. And before you do that, you need this device is a wood finder, so you need a wood on the wall so you'll be able to drill and make it stronger. Another thing you need is a tape. So you want to measure the height, how you want to hang the screen. So you need that. So the projector came with the screen. The screen came with those tools, and you'll be able to. This is how you drill it in. This is screw. So you need those tools, and then you need this one, so you'll be able to equalize to drill. So after you drill, you should be hanging this one in here. So this is how. So after you have to leave some of here, so you'll be able to hang the projector. So when I'm done, I'm going to show you. And so before I show you the screen, let me take you back. So I began making a video in 2010, and my first device I was using was just only this laptop. So I used to use the camera came with the laptop to make my video. So if you go back and look at 12 years ago, I was using this one. And then in 2018, I began a user board on the wall, and I'm going to show you in a few minutes. And then I have another one, the one I'm using right now. So when I'm done with the installation for the projector screen, I'm going to show you how this screen look like. So wait for the few, and I will be back. Thank you. This is my press board I use to make a video right here. And it was very small, and I decided to get the bigger one, as you're going to see another room. This one I got after the one I just showed you was too small for me, and this one I began using in 2021, I believe so, and it's more larger than the one I just showed you. So welcome back. So now we're done with installation. I'm going to show you those two remote I told you, the one here and the one it came with. So we're going to plug this to the power. It has the same button, three of them. We want to take it up, want to pull it down, and the one in the middle is let it stop. So let's connect this to the power. So I'm going to use one remote. So this remote, to pull it down, so it's cool, right? as you can see, the same thing you can use as this remote. We're going to wait until, yep, so we can stop it right here. So let me pull it out again. So it's the same thing you can use as this remote. So let me just see some videos, as you can see here, and I'm connected to my YouTube channel. Let me know how you think. So this is my channel. So let's see if we can see some of these things. And so let's do this. So this is how you can watch the movie. And that's it. And so skip this.